welcome to Risky Business. I'm Jessica, your small business risk advisor, and today we are going to talk about 7 coverage types that are important for small businesses. So there are 2 lines of coverage that all businesses need. If you have any employees, one coverage that you need to make sure you have is workers' compensation. So this coverage is required by law. In the state of Ohio, you have to get this coverage through the Ohio Bureau's Worker of Compensation. So it is not through your independent agent. But if you have employees that are working out of state or are in other states, you can contact your independent agent so that they can put a policy in place for you. The second line of coverage that all businesses need is general liability. So general liability coverage is third-party coverage that's going to cover you in the event of a claim for bodily injury or property damage to a third party. 3 coverages you always need if it applies to you includes property coverage. This is going to do things like cover your building, cover your business, personal property, and unlike homeowners insurance, this is not going to provide any liability coverage. You will have to get that separately in a general liability policy. This will just be for the items that you own. The second one is commercial auto. If you own cars that are titled in the business name, you will be required to carry commercial auto coverage. Professional liability, depending on your profession, may be required by law, but it's definitely something to consider if you're doing any sort of consulting services, those types of things. And this is going to be coverage that's provided to you in the event that someone makes a claim that you did not fulfill your contract, you didn't do what you said you were going to do based on the services that you were promised. And this coverage is not covered under a general liability policy. This is going to be separately covered under professional. So finally, 2 lines of coverage that you need, but you may think you don't need. If you have any questions about your small business insurance, we are here to help.